Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models and welcome to another vlog. In this vlog we're just going to have a quick look at a little bit of a delivery today, because let's face it, in modelling when we get our little deliveries coming with all our kits, it is quite exciting. So let's take a look at what I got delivered and what is potentially going to be coming in the future. So the first kit that came today is this beauty here. This is by Ming Models. It's a Leopard 2 A7 in 1/35 scale. Getting a bit of armor actually, because I'm thinking and I'm feeling that maybe the next step by step could be an armor. Again, you know, I never decide these things until I actually start doing it. Again, moving along with a bit of armor, we have again by Ming. I am liking Ming. If it comes to anything sort of should we say armored, Ming are really sort of bringing out new exciting things. And we have here the Israeli main battle tank, the Makarov Mark 3D late, what's that, LIC, also looking like a smashing kit just there as well. Moving along, this one's interesting. We have Edard. Edard has released this lovely P51 D5 Mustang. I do like Edard kits whenever they bring out a new tool or anything like that. I do like to get my hands on one, and to be honest with you, I do end up normally building them because I do think they're absolutely cracking kits. Next generation surface detail, you just got to build an Edard. Here's a bit of a golden oldie, right? This is Revell's Phantom FGR2 1/48 scale. Now this one, I like this because Revell now and then they seem to have a little bit of a deal with Hasegawa where they go off and they seem to rebox a Hasegawa kit, which, you know, when you have cases like this, get one of these, because Hasegawa, they are quite expensive, but for some reason Revell gets a nice little rebox from them and they're nice and cheap, really cheap compared to Hasegawa. And actually I do think Revell kind of puts better decals in there as well. Definitely a really cool kit. I've got this because it's a bit of a nostalgia, because I used to build on commission, and one of the builds people would ask me to build all the time is F4 Phantoms. Built absolutely loads of them, but ever since then I've not built one for myself or built one to show you guys, and I'm feeling like I should do one of these in the future at some point as well. So there's that one. Then another British one going on here, also by Revell, is their Tornado F3 ADV. They did bring out some nice Tornadoes. This is the F3 version, and again, you know, here I am again. I feel like building one of these. You know, I feel like building too many kits and not enough time to build them. Another one as well, it's another Tornado, and actually it's by Revell again, but this one is in 1/32 scale. It's the GR1 Golf War. Really sort of interesting kit, maybe a little bit on the old side, but you know, you build one of these, it's a really nice big beefy you know, 1/32 scale modern jet. So that's it. I just wanted to sort of show you what is potentially coming up in the near future at Genessis Models. These kits here, I mean, we're talking group build competition prizes potentially. We're talking, you know, our normal monthly competition prizes. They're all going to get inbox reviewed, and you know, potentially I'm going to probably turn one of them into a step-by-step as well. So a nice little sneak peek for you there. Just stay tuned to Genessis Models, all sorts of stuff coming out and whatnot. Actually, you know, because it's considered it's a vlog video, I am starting to really sort of make a lot of emails between Chris. If you remember, I mentioned in the show that Chris, who was basically the lead sort of scale model maker for making Star Trek models, you know, the actual, you know, for the series, for the films, you know, those big massive Star Trek ships, Voyager, Deep Space Nine, you know, the guy that was behind making that. Been emailing him, and we're sort of discussing maybe doing sort of maybe an interview or something like that. He's been sending me pictures and everything. I've just had a load of about showing the Defiant and how it was like a vacuum mold kind of thing done. It does look really sort of nice as well. Some nice old pictures there. looking really good. Hopefully something will come of it. Hopefully you'll see it, so stay tuned, find out what's going on with that. But there you go. That's it for this week so far. I do believe tonight I'm going to be going off and doing the very last live session as well, so you might want to see that if you want to go take a look at it. But apart from that, hopefully you've enjoyed. So until next time, as always, my name's Roy Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I'll catch you later.